It is time for another beach adventure in Torremolinos. This is Playa Bajondillo, one of the most center-based beaches close to the city center. As you can see, we have lots of apartments and hotels right here. And as you can see, there are no sunbeds or umbrellas or any water activities on the beach because it is December, 8th of December more specifically. And it's still we have 18 degrees Celsius in the air, as this is my 6th episode from today, from as I was exploring the beaches in Malaga and now in Torremolinos also. Yes, so this is the third beach I visit here. And in this series from Malaga this weekend, I'm sharing interesting fact in each episode. And another fact about Torremolinos is that the name is coming from the mill tower, because the name comes from Torremolinos, which is the mill tower for a windmill for making bread. I mean to say, but yeah, that's where it comes from. And by this wind that we have, I'm pretty sure that it is fairly to say that that's the reason why it's called this city like that. But yes, it's a beautiful Friday. Right now it's actually 3 p.m. exactly, and there's gonna be sun for 3 more hours at least. Not so many tourists because it's definitely off season, but we can definitely do beach adventures in the Mediterranean Sea, where currently we have 15 degrees Celsius still. I have checked the temperature on the web, as they do measure the water often here. So yeah, I mean, if there wasn't any wind, it would have been perfect, but still I can't complain to have this super nice sunny weather in December. And here we have a bit more depth as you go in the water compared to the earlier beaches I visited. And now I see how far I am from Malaga actually. Now probably around 13 kilometers. And yeah, so yeah, beach exploration, and it's time for another swim. So follow me. So nice and amazing. Brilliant. What a blessing to do beach adventures in December. Summer in December, right? Yes. Cool. So yes, this was Bajondillo Beach, Playa de Bajondillo in Torremolinos, Spain, as it is in Spanish. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure to subscribe to follow more beach adventures from Malaga, but also from rest of the world on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.